Hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of this Infinity Harman portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's begin. These portable speakers are really handy whether it is for outdoors or indoors. Infinity Fuse 100 by Harman, which comes under portable Bluetooth speaker category. I bought this speaker from Amazon at very reasonable price, easy to carry and lightweight. With this speaker we can stream wireless music for up to 9 hours continuously. This speaker is waterproof and in water this speaker will float. We can use this at the pool time too. Inside the box we have speaker, micro USB cable, eyelet, owner's manual. This Bluetooth speaker also lets us connect to voice assistants so we can check the weather, call a friend, listen to our favorite tracks. This is the charging port and it is covered with a sealed cap. This is the user's manual and it have clear instructions about the speaker.
Connected.
My eyes are shut, but I can see the void between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me. I'm running out of air.
turn off.
If this video helps you, please do share, subscribe and comment. See you all in the next video. Bye.